How to get your first 1,000 YouTube subscribers fast. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a new YouTuber struggling to grow, this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'm giving you a full step-by-step strategy to help you reach your first 1,000 subscribers fast. Even if you're starting from zero, make sure to watch till the end, because I'll also share bonus tips that big YouTubers won't tell you. Let's get started. Step 1. Pick a niche. The first mistake new YouTubers make is trying to make videos on everything. YouTube doesn't like confusion, and neither do viewers. You need to pick a niche, stay focused. Talk about one topic consistently. Examples: tech reviews, fitness for beginners, cooking with local ingredients, productivity tips for students. If you stay in one lane, YouTube will know who to recommend you to. Step 2. Understand your audience. Ask yourself, who are you making videos for? Once you know your audience, your content becomes 10x more effective. Use this formula. I make videos for type of person who want to solve a problem. Example: I make videos for new moms who want to cook healthy food fast. This clarity will help you attract the right subscribers who actually care about your content. Step 3. Create click-worthy content. YouTube is all about two things: clicks, watch time. To get clicks, your thumbnail must be eye-catching, title must create curiosity or promise value. Bad title: My Day in the Park. Better title: I tried living with no phone for 24 hours. Here's what happened. Thumbnail tips: use bright colors, close-up of your face, big bold text, 3-5 words max. Watch time tip: start your video with a hook in the first 10 seconds. Example: most new YouTubers never grow because they make this mistake. Step 4. Consistency is key. YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't post once a month and expect growth. Upload at least once a week. Stick to a schedule, for example, every Tuesday. Don't wait for perfection. Improve as you go. Think of each video as a lottery ticket. The more you post, the better your chances. Step 5. Promote smartly. Don't rely only on YouTube's algorithm. Share your video on Facebook groups related to your niche, in Reddit communities, WhatsApp groups, Pinterest, Instagram stories, and Quora. Also, reply to every comment and pin your own comment asking viewers to subscribe if they found the video helpful. Step 6. Use analytics. Go to YouTube Studio. Analytics gives audience check. Which videos are getting views, where people are clicking off, what thumbnails get better click-through rates. Double down on what's working. Ignore what's not. Bonus tips: ask viewers to subscribe, but give them a reason. If you're new here and want more tips like this, hit that subscribe button. Create a playlist and link to it at the end screen. Use YouTube Shorts to grow fast. Shorts can bring massive reach.